Let us continue with this chapter. We have to do relationship between average revenue, that is price, total revenue and marginal revenue under perfect competition. We have this example in front of us where we have been given units sold which are from 1 to 5. Price per unit remains the same under perfect competition, that is 5 rupees we have taken as an example. Total revenue is multiplication of price per unit into the number of units, and for the first unit 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15, 5 into 4 is 20 and 5 into 5 is 25. Here for the sake of simplicity we have just taken 5 units. Then marginal revenue is total revenue of n units minus total revenue of n minus 1 unit. For the first unit, that is 1, the previous unit is 0. Hence total revenue of the first unit is 5. The total revenue of 0 units will be 0. So 5 minus 0 is 5. For the next one, for 2 units, since total revenue is 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, 15 minus 10 is 5 for the third unit, 20 minus 15 is 5 for the fourth unit, 25 minus 20 is 5 for the fifth unit. This is how we have got our schedule of total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue under perfect competition. Under perfect competition, children, the price remains the same for every unit of the output. That is why it coincides with the marginal revenue and the summation of it is total revenue. And we can show the shapes of all the three in this diagram. In the diagram, your price is equal to average revenue and marginal revenue for all the units of output. Since we have taken 5 units of output, marginal revenue and average revenue, that is price, is 5, 5, 5, 5 for all, and therefore when we add up or we join the points, we will get a horizontal straight line parallel to the OX axis, parallel to the price line, and this is your price is equal to average revenue and marginal revenue for all units of output sold. Since price is the same for every additional unit produced and we want to show the total revenue curve, it is a rising curve and it goes along from 0 to the value 25 in this manner. Alright, the relationship between total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue can be explained under perfect competition as follows. First one, price remains constant, then price is equal to average revenue as well as marginal revenue. This we have already explained with the help of the schedule as well as the diagram. The second feature, prominent feature under perfect competition relating to these three concepts is price line is the same as marginal revenue curve. That is why we have a horizontal straight line. Price line is equal to marginal revenue curve. Also, total revenue is the summation of marginal revenue. So, the area under marginal revenue curve or price line will be equal to total revenue. That is why we have a rising total revenue curve and it rises in the same proportion. So, I hope this concept is clear to you and it is normally asked. All the best. Thank you.